Joseph Homer here, and right here on the list I have a 2013 Dodge Challenger with a 5.7 Hemi in it. This is an RT car. And this is going to be a 3-part series. So do me a favor, click that subscribe button. That way you get notifications on part 2 and part 3 when I post them. Or you can find the other parts if you're catching this later on. First part, we're going to do a tune-up. This car's got 109,000 miles on it. From the factory, it uses an NGK laser iridium plug. Those things are wicked expensive. I do, however, recommend using the OE plugs. You're going to spend close to $150 just on spark plugs. I know that sounds crazy. This car has 16 of them. But you'll see that here in just a minute. So do me a favor, like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Don't forget when it's all over, rate the video. And if you have any questions about anything I'm doing, drop them in the comment section. So part 1 is going to be the tune-up. Part 2, we've got to find a clunk in the front end, which I took it for a test drive already. You can hear it at low speed. We're going to find and fix the clunk in the front end. Part 3, we're going to have a little fun. We're going to stick some flow masters on this car and make it sound a little bit better. So hang in there, stay tuned. We're going to dive right into this. Alright guys, as you can see, the factory air filter on this thing is just done. Or this isn't factory, but the air filter that's in it's just done. So we're going to finish up this tune-up by installing a K&N drop-in replacement for this car. A little more expensive than factory, but it's washable and reusable. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed part one doing the tune-up on this Hemi Challenger. As you can see, that factory air filter was pretty well, not factory, but the air filter was pretty well toast. So, we failed, but we're going to pitch it in the trash. We put that K&N in there. Anytime you put the K&N in, do not forget to put the sticker on the outside of the air box like I just did there. That way anybody else who is working on this car knows it's got a K&N in it. They don't need to service it. All you have to do is wash it out with the K&N wash, let it dry, air dry. You do not heat them to dry. Stick them right back, re-oil them, stick them right back in. They're ready to go again. They're warranted for 1 million miles, so that air filter should outlast this car. If it doesn't, he can get it replaced for nothing. Now, stick around for part two, where we are going to go fix the clunk in the front end by installing a brand new set of Monroe quick struts. And then we'll be back for part three, where we're going to put a set of Flowmasters on this car. So stick around. And like I said, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to rate it. Subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell. And don't forget to get out there and get your hands dirty, guys. You might have a little bit of fun doing it. We'll see you on the next one.